serious about it, you're gonna have problems. All right, we're about to go live on. Okay, we're officially live on YouTube. Let me send the link. So the YouTube stream is not restricted, guys. It's anybody can join that stream. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Serious business. That's funny. Hi, is there any chance of doing a one-on-one session, guys? If you want one-on-one, guys, you're gonna have to pay me. Angeke, awa, bruh, no. You know how frustrating it is, like to first of all, you're dealing with somebody who doesn't really understand, and then their hardware as well is very slow. So now, no, you're gonna have to pay me for that, you know. But you can send me questions. I'll answer your questions on the DMs. But hey, one-on-ones is just it's a little bit frustrating. You need to have some patience, okay? You need to have some patience. Yeah, you need to really have patience for people. So like the thing is, for one-on-one, I want to give time, you see, and you know, I don't have much time, you see, to give away just like that. You see, I've got other things that I want to do, all right? But we can discuss it and then we can reach some sort of consensus. Please, guys, don't request Bati in this thing. Am I? Oh shit! I'm already live. Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's good? Let me take the link. I almost forgot again to send the link into my Telegram channel. I think it's TikTok that's disturbing. Oh no, it's already there. I did it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give 5 minutes, right? Just give 5 minutes so that my people can join in, right? But it is recorded anyway. And please, guys, pay attention. Like, I mean, I get people when I do the stream, right? I do the stream, and then they ask me things that I already answered in the stream, but they were watching. Okay, so please just pay a little bit of attention, all right? Pay a little bit of attention. Okay, so we're gonna officially start in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm just giving people a chance to connect. But while we waiting, all right, I think we should just go and discuss some of the rules. Okay, so basically, guys, what we're looking for right now, it's the New York session. Okay, so in the New York session, we're basically looking for markets affected by the US dollar. Okay, so when we do our analysis, we want to start with the Euro USD, GBP USD, NAS 100, US 30, and then we'll look at gold. Okay, we're going to look at those five things. And then if we don't find trades on those five instruments, then that's when we're going to start doing the whole top-down analysis. Okay, but we'll see. I'll just use my discretion to pick which currencies to analyze. All right. But there is going to be a news event that's going to hit in about 30 minutes. So I'll just try and pick up the pace. Okay. I'm not going to be explaining much now. Right. So I might not put TP and SL. Okay. So for those of you who already have the trading system, you have the system. Okay. My chart and your chart is the same. Our TPs are the same. So if I say sell, for instance, your USD, you can see the TP, you can see the stop loss, right? So now I'm also doing my own independent high risk trading as well. Okay. So you need to, if you're following me, you need to have that mindset, right? And I'm not saying copy my lot size because I might open up 2.0. My account balance now on my trading account is not the same as yours. You might have more than me, I might have more than you, okay? So you manage your own account. All right, so let's just go through the rules real quick. So what we're looking for in these markets, guys, we're looking for markets that are clearly trending in the upward direction or downward direction. Not really concerned about the time frame, but the time frames that I will be looking at is I'm going to start on the daily chart for each instrument. I'm going to start on the daily chart, then I'm going to cascade down to the 15-minute chart. So I'm going to go daily, H4, 1 hour, 15-minute, right? Just to see what's happening. And then if I do open up a trade, it's going to be on the best one, the easiest one that I see, okay? So Things I want to see is I want to see markets that are clearly trending, right? Clearly trending up or clearly trending down. I want to see our rules being fulfilled, and I also want to trade um, easy markets, like a market where I don't have to second guess. Okay, somebody was looking at gold this morning. Gold wasn't really giving me a convincing. I have to be convinced. Okay, if I'm gonna be putting my money, I need to be convinced. Right? My objective isn't to open up many trades. I just want to make money. Okay, let's have that understanding. Right? People watch my YouTube videos. They don't even like, guys. You at least they must be like you guys here on TikTok. Hey, on YouTube. Hey, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. All right. So who's ready to start? We got about 2 minutes left. Any questions before we begin? You can ask your questions right now because you know it's about to be crunch time right now. Ask your questions now or forever hold your peace. Hey, Mr. Nxumalo, Eswatini, Embabane, kunjani baba siyakuvusela. Thina lapha eNaspoti. Ehe, Embombela. Aha. Mhm. Embombela. Yeah, but I love Eswatini, guys. It's a very nice country. Everything is in order there. You know, everything's in order. All right. Okay, we've got about 1 minute. You can ask your questions now. Okay, how can I join your mentorship? All right. Someone is asking if the NAS 100 is a buy. I don't know. I don't know what's happening in the markets. I haven't even opened it yet. Okay. Okay. Let me just 30 seconds to answer your questions. How can I join your mentorship? So basically, you need to purchase my trading system, the one that I'm using on YouTube. Okay, it's 1.5 thousand rand or 100 USD. Okay, you can just purchase that and then you'll be in the Telegram channels and all that. Okay, what's your strategy, chief? Your factors of confluence. It's basically, I'm going to explain it now. I'm going to explain the reasons why I go into the trading session and some of the things we really spoke about in the morning in depth. Okay, so we're not really going to discuss much of that now. Now it's crunch time, munch. It's crunch time, munch. It's crunch time. It's crunch time, right? As a first time trader, is there any risk during the process of trading? Yes, there's the risk of losing money, right? That risk is always there, even for me right now. Like I can open up a trade right now and then can lose money. Does the indicator have a favorite time frame for different pairs? Not necessarily, bro. You just need to you just need to look for opportunities based off of our rules, okay? And then if you don't really understand, watch the live stream that I did earlier. I explained in detail the process, okay? We've got 1 minute actually left, 20 past, okay? Tired of being robbed in jail with this, buy that. Then leave it, bro. If you're tired of trading, leave it. You don't have to trade, bro. Like no one is pushing you. If you are tired, leave it. Okay? Just leave it. You can do something else. I mean, there's other things you can do, man. There's a whole lot of other things you can do to make money. You don't have to be a trader, right? You can do something else. Doesn't like you don't need to do this, okay? If you can't do it, it's not for everyone, okay? If you tell yourself that you can't do it, just get out, okay? Yeah, just get out. All right. What's your YouTube name? Mabs Effects. I'm trying to view on there. All right, Mabs Effects. All right. Okay, everybody's here. All right, guys, if you jump from here and you go to my YouTube, can you just type that you're from TikTok, okay, so I can see who's there. All right, so I'm just trying to delay so that the people that I said must come on the stream can jump on. I can't even tell who's on there, you know? So I'm just trying to wait right now. Just giving a few minutes, just giving a few minutes. We still got a little bit of time, okay? Okay. Um, okay, so we got a few people on YouTube and then we've got a lot of people on what's this thing, TikTok. All right, so we've got 53 people. Let's go. All right, okay. So I'll buy signal, guys. Okay. So number one, we're looking for markets that are clearly trending. Okay. Number two, we want markets that are in line with our trading rules. Okay, it can be on any time. It doesn't really matter. Wherever you see the signal, that's where we're gonna jump in on from. All right. Thanks everybody for letting me know that you're from TikTok. That's jumping over to my YouTube. Appreciate you. I see you. I appreciate you. Right. I love the connection. Okay. Please also guys like the video. Please guys on YouTube. Ngiyacela bafowethu. Yabona. Ngiyacela. Yabona. All right, we're looking for markets that are clearly trending, markets that are affected by the US dollar, right? We're going to do the same thing even tomorrow, okay? And then our rules are the way we establish this, we use our eyes, we look at the chart, we see, okay, is the price clearly going up, clearly going down, okay? And then number two, number two, the price must be for buy signal, the price must be above the 100 moving average, okay, the volatility meter over 70%, and then that validates the signal, okay? So we can either take a signal that's at buy entry or a signal that's already hit TP1 or TP2 going for TP3, right? For a sell trade, we're looking for markets that are underneath. Let me just change the slide. We're looking for markets that are underneath the 100 moving average. And then we're looking for volatility meter that's above 70%, 70 or above 70. And then that validates the signal. It doesn't matter if it's at the buy entry or if it's at TP1 going for TP2 or TP2 going for TP3. Okay, as long as it's meeting these things. Okay, and then we're good. All right. And let's just see quickly. I just want to see something quickly. Which browser did I use? I just want to see what is this new, but I really don't care. It's actually at, is it 3:30? This news is probably hitting at 3:30. Let me just make sure. Because then, like, what we need to be careful, another thing that you need to be careful of, guys, is when there's a news event. Oh, it's starting in six minutes, okay? When there's a news event and you get closer to um, the actual release, okay, you need to be careful because when you open up trades, usually they increase the spread. Okay, so you might find that immediately your trade goes into serious negatives. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? So just some of the things you need to be careful of. I wanted to start at 3, but I had some delays, guys. You know how these things go. I actually should have said 2:30 and then go and play, mama. Go play, please go play. Go. Okay, baby. Thank you. Bye bye. Go play, okay? I'll see you later, nah? Close the door, baby. Close the door, mama. Upstairs. Okay. That's the little girl that I was trying to avoid. All right. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see. Let's just get started, guys. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. All right. Let me open up OBS. Let me close this browser and then let's see. Let's see what's happening. So we're going to start with our trading list, right? So my trading list is Euro USD, GBP USD, NAS 100 US 30, gold. Okay, these 5 things. So that's where I'm going to start. Every day I'm going to start here. Euro USD, GBP USD, NAS 100 US 30, gold. I'm looking for a clear signal. If I don't find a clear signal, then I'm going to look at other currencies. Okay, right? Right? But then Mabs effect. All right, so let's go ahead and check. Okay, let's start with the Euro USD. I'm gonna start on the daily chart. Okay, let's see what's happening on the daily chart. Not much has changed. On the daily chart, it looks like we're still going down. All the signs are there showing us that the market is dropping. Okay, so it's dropping, going down for TP2. So let's just see that on the lower time frames, what's gonna happen. On the lower time frames, it looks like we already hit TP3 on H4. Right, we already hit TP3 on H4, and then it looks like the market hit like a support. Okay, but we're just gonna move past it. I'm just gonna talk about it briefly. Okay, because I want to cover some charts, right? Okay, so it looks like there's a bit of a retracement on the Euro USD on the H1 chart. Come on, Biggies, go play, mama. Okay, go play. Take mama's phone. Take mama's phone. Go play. Take daddy's other phone. Okay, take daddy's other phone. Go play. Go play, mama. Go play. Guys, yo, these kids. Okay, so yeah, let's move on and then close the door because all right, 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is an example of a invalid trade. Okay, you don't take that buy signal. It's an invalid trade. Okay, so we've got valid trades and invalid trades, right? So this is not a valid trade. If you don't understand, look at our trading rules. Okay, you understand. Watch the training videos. Okay. So right now, my decision on Euro USD, right? I can actually take a sell, but low risk because of what I'm seeing. It seems like on the low time frames, it wants to take another turn, okay? But because of the news events, it might push down a little bit, but like it's not giving. Like what the 2000s say, it's not giving, right? So let's just move on. Let's see if we can't see better. Okay, we're starting on the daily chart. Euro USD is showing much better movement, right? Much better movement. You know what? Not even gonna go. Okay, I'm looking at the H4 chart. Look, let's take because of the news events. Okay, I'm gonna take. Let's just take the. I'm gonna take the trade to TP2. I'm gonna sell right now to TP2, right? But let me before I already opened up the trade. Let me just see. Okay, on the 15-minute, let me see what's going on. Okay, on the 15-minute is ready, guys. Okay, on the 15-minute is ready, right? But I'm taking the trade on the daily. Okay, I'm taking it on the daily. I want those levels because of the news. Okay, and then you can use a 1:1 risk ratio for this trade. Okay, because it's been going down. Okay, and the market won't go down forever. Okay, it doesn't do that. It's a dream if you think it's gonna go down forever, guys. Right? Let's use the stop loss on the 15-minute chart. All right. Now we're using our discretion. Okay. So I'm already on that trade right now. I'm already there, just like that, guys. Okay. But yeah, I just used a bit of my experience. Okay. Okay. So let's move on. What's the next one on our list? US 30. Let's go to US 30. US 30. So your USD is not giving the way I want it to give. Okay. So that's why I took GBP USD. Okay. All right, let's go to US 30. Let me see. Let me start on the daily. Okay. Looks like it wants to change direction. Okay. Okay, I'm cascading down. Okay. If you want an example of an invalid trade, go to US 30 on the 15-minute chart, put the system on there and just see that's an invalid trade right there. So we're not going to trade US 30 right now. Let's go to daily on the NAS 100. NAS 100 looks like on the H4 it's not giving. On the H1 it's invalid. It's not ready yet on H1. Okay, it's not ready. It's not ready on H1. I mean, I don't force, guys, right? I really don't force. Okay, it's not ready right now. So for NAS 100, okay, if I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, right, if we see the market going down past TP1, I think that's where we can enter right now. Okay, you could enter right now, but guys, I mean, I want definite trades. Okay, I don't want to what do you call, confuse myself. Okay, but we'll come back to it. So far we've got that sell on GBP. Hey, GBP's been paying, guys. Yo. I think I'm gonna add a lot size there. All right. Okay, let's go to gold. Let's see what's gold's happening. Let me just see what's happening on from TikTok. Finally found you. I'm well, brother. Hlakanipho ngobese. Most people on my TikTok are on my YouTube. That's pretty interesting. So you guys are really serious about trading on TikTok. I can see. You guys are very serious about trading. All right. But hey, guys, it's worth it. It's really worth it. Ish, my platform is lagging a bit. I think I need to delete the MetaTrader and download it again and reinstall it. Okay, so from my list, just an update on what I'm doing, guys. Okay, so from my list, from my five, I only um, got one clear signal. Okay, so I took that sell on GBP. Okay, and then I used the TP3 on the daily chart. Okay, so I still think that it's gonna go down based off what I can see, right? And then I'm hoping that this news is strong enough. But let's not use all our strength that tomorrow we can't even trade. The big day is actually tomorrow. Tomorrow there's a lot of volatility that's gonna happen around this time. Okay, so let's not risk a lot today. Oh, let me not say that. Okay, I'm not gonna risk too much today. Okay, how often do you do live trading? Whenever I want to, right? Whenever I want to. I do it whenever I want to. Like these sessions, I'm not doing them because I usually do them. Okay, I'm doing it for the benefit of the new subscribers that I have. Okay, so that's really why I'm doing it. If I'm being honest, okay, because I used to do them, but not as frequently. Okay, so it depends. It depends. It depends also on the subscribers as well that I get. If it's brand new babies, then I have to take care of them. You know what I'm saying? I have to take care of them. You see. So let's see, guys. All right. Something's wrong with my platform, guys. Okay, let's look at the USD CAD, guys. All right. USD CAD on the daily chart is consolidating, right? But I still believe that it's going to break out, right? But the volatility meter is piggy samanje, so we're not gonna trade it. Let's go to the lower time frames, the H4 chart. Uh, not seeing it. Let's go to the 1 hour. I don't know, guys. I think it's either the platform or my internet that's making everything so slow right now. I've got a monster of a PC, guys. So it doesn't lag this one. All right. So let's go to you. I'm skipping USD CAD, but we already have a trade, guys. We already have a trade, so there's no need to panic. CBC Maps effects. Why don't you show the chart? Hey, guys, please answer some of these people. Hey, ngicela mafethu. Let's go to my platform is acting up right now. I know why. It's because of all this data that's happening right now. That's why. We actually should have done this like an hour ago. But tomorrow, I think tomorrow, what we can do to make sure that we have enough time at like 2:30 before the market hits and everything, I think that's when I'll go live. I'll let you guys know if I'm gonna be live on TikTok as well. Okay, let's see what's happening. You see now, okay. Now the market's starting to move right now. Okay. Yeah, we're a bit late. We're a bit late, guys. Okay, Euro GBP. Euro GBP is showing us something. What time frame is this? Euro GBP is also showing us something. I think I'm just gonna act, guys. Right? We're running out of time. But they increased the spread. I want you guys to notice something right now. Okay, just be very careful if you're gonna get into trades right now because the news data is coming out. It's coming out now. We're a little bit late. So if you look at your charts, you can see if you've enabled the spread, okay, the spread is widening. It's widening because they know that there's a lot of economic data that happens when, or that comes in when there's news, okay? So a lot of traders will come in. So they deter you by opening up the spread, making it difficult to enter, okay? After buying the system, any mentorship in terms of going through the whole trading with the system. All right, so after you purchase, you want to be put in a Telegram channel, okay? And then there's tutorial videos, and then sometimes when I be doing live streams like this, I'll post in the group the exact times. And then also when we're doing like private classes, so in a way, and then we'll also add you there, okay? So let me see what's going on. I actually don't even have much time right now, you see. But Euro GBP on the H4 chart is a great trade, right? Euro GBP on the H4 chart. I'm just gonna go in. Just go in right now. There's no time to hesitate now. I'm gonna put my TP at TP3. I can handle the drawdown. So another thing, guys, a professional trader will tell you that in order to have or the capital that you need to trade, right? How much did they say again? But they said this is for stocks. For Forex, I haven't really met like a really, really professional, like somebody who actually works at the exchanges, right? I haven't really. And I'd love to know how much those people say. But they say if you're trading stocks, you need about how much again? I think it's how much did they say? I think they said $5,000 or 20,000. I just don't remember. I'm gonna start lying now. So I just don't remember. So Euro GBP getting in for a long trade right there on the H4 chart. Gonna hold this thing. Let's add some more, right? So we're selling GBP USD, buying Euro GBP on the H4, right? But me, when I jump in, I go for the last take profit because hey, you know how these things go. Possibly gonna hold until tomorrow and see what's gonna happen. If there's no significant change on the chart, then it's all good, right? Let me see, let me see, let me see. I'm still going. Because of the news that the chart is a little bit laggish. USD CHF, what's going on? USD CHF is also a good one on H4, but I'm not going to take it right now. It's also very good on the daily. Maybe I should just take it because my platform is really really lagging. And hey, now like for real, guys, you really really must be careful of the spread right now. That's what they do. I forgot what they call it when they do that. Right, when they widen the spread, I just forgot the term. Okay, but you just need to be aware of what happens in the market, right? Actually, my back. Yeah, I need to get a gaming chair, guys. You see those gaming chairs? Like if I'm on a stream like this, ish, I must buy a gaming chair. I'm gonna go probably just check it tomorrow. Hey, nah, bro, I can feel my things. Like those streaming chairs. I think I'm gonna go buy that. You see, and someone was actually telling me that I should actually stream on what you call this on Twitch. They said I must stream on Twitch. So I'm probably gonna stream on Twitch, right? I'm probably gonna stream on Twitch. So I wonder how like the algorithm works there. Because like it's difficult to get views on things like Instagram. Hey, Instagram is tough to get views. You're not I've got a video right now on my page on my TikTok page that's got 70,000 views, right? Instagram will never it will never give you seven, even if you post the same content, right? It will never. I think I've got about 15 minutes left, guys. Right? I need to go fetch my wife. I need to go fetch her from work. Right? So the platform is a bit lagging, bro. Like it's really, really lagging. And it's starting to irritate me. So I'm just dragging and dropping currencies. I'll tell you guys what's happening, okay? I'll tell you guys what's happening. I just don't wanna waste time. I don't have time to be wasting time right now. All right. Okay, there's a sort of structure. Also, another thing that can help you guys, okay, also learn about breakout structures, okay? Breakout structures, it'll help because I'm seeing some structures forming right now. If you look at the CAD JPY on the H4 chart, it's forming a symmetrical triangle, okay? It's forming a symmetrical triangle. So this is a symmetrical triangle indicates that there's going to be a breakout either to the top or the bottom. But the way it's forming right now, it seems that it's gonna break out to the top. So maybe that's something that's gonna happen today, or maybe it's something that's gonna happen tomorrow. Let me just check my YouTube. Okay, let me see. I'm just trying to follow up on these things. GBP CAD. GBP CAD is going for TP3. Let's go. It's going for TP3. It's going for TP3. GBP CAD is going for TP3. It's going for TP3. You know what I'm saying? It's going for TP3 on H4. Like you already know the rules, guys. Now I'm just nyakadla manje. Yabona? Yeah. So although you see how quickly I'm getting the trades, right? Remember I spoke about mindset, okay? I spoke about mindset. And your mindset, you need to understand, right? Don't just do things blindly, but you need to understand that if we are on an H4 chart and we're taking a signal on the H4 chart, it means that you need to wait for several candles to actually allow the market to run, okay, to develop, okay? So one H4 candle is 4 hours, okay? So you can't wait an hour and be like, Ish, you know what I mean? This thing is not moving. No, 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 no. You're trading on the H4 chart. One candle is 4 hours. Okay, so it means that for the price to develop properly, you need several candles. Okay, guys, I am gonna move quickly. Okay, I already said this in the morning. In the morning, did you see how much time we took to explain? Right now, we're not explaining much. You need to catch. Right, you need to catch. It's crunch time now. You know what I mean? It's crunch time, guys. Right? It's crunch time. Okay, I'm not gonna take this one. It's CAD CHF, not gonna take that. GBP AUD is going for TP2. All the rules are meeting there. Let's jump in. Let's jump in. Let's jump in. I might add on some of these positions, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe after the retracements, I might add. Okay, I might actually add. Right? I might add, guys. I'm not even gonna cap you. I might add. Look, I can't even. Hey, the platform is slow, man. Yeah, isn't this news over? But anyways, you guys get the point. I'm gonna look for one more, guys. I'm running out of time now. Okay. So GBP AUD down. GBP CAD is what? Did it sell? Did it buy? I think it sold, so it went down. We already passed US 30. We don't have a signal right now. We'll check it later, right? We'll check it later. Sometimes you need to allow the market to develop. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this, guys, not a lot of traders do this. Okay, when they go there and analyze. Okay, so now I'm also giving you an idea of how to go about analyzing. Okay, so that's why I'm like doing stuff, pausing, trying to explain. But yeah, I think tomorrow let's do the same thing. In the morning, we're gonna have an educational session. Okay, and then in the afternoon because I still need to trade, guys. I still need to trade. I still need to open up trades. I still need to, so I can't be slowed down, okay? Because I don't slow down. Okay, I'm just gonna look at one more thing, guys. Okay, so far we've got GBP AUD, GBP CAD, Euro GBP, GBP USD. That's enough. I think that's enough because that's overkill. Like beyond that, it's just overkill. I just want to see USDs are. Hey guys, hey, but this thing, I'm scared of USD Zaga. I'm not even gonna lie. Hey, this thing will make you happy and make you cry at the same time. Yo, yo, yo. Even if I see like a proper perfect trade on USD ZAR, right? I'll think twice about taking because this thing is crazy. Like you haven't seen anything crazy like this. If you think NAS 100 is crazy, this currency is crazy, right? It's really, really crazy. So things like USDs are, let's just go in. I'm going in with a small lot size. I'm using a small lot size, guys. I'm using a small lot size. Yeah, I'm using a small lot size going for TP2. Right, let me just go for TP2. And you know what I don't like? On my broker, the spread is quite huge. Spread is quite huge. All right, let me just have a look. Okay, I'll post the trades on the Telegram channel, okay? Because now let me see which other market can I look at. Does anyone have any special requests? But I'm not gonna go to a market that I already looked at, right? Any special request? Just one. Just one. We'll spend like 5 minutes talking about it. Just one. Just let me know. Is there something special that you want me to look at real quick, real quick? Gold. Okay, we already did gold. Let's look at something else. I didn't see a signal on gold right now, okay? So that's why I skipped it. I didn't get a signal on gold. I didn't get a signal on NAS 100. NAS 100 is not ready right now, okay? So we'll probably trade it tomorrow. And then US 30, I'm not getting a signal right now, a clear signal, okay? So remember what I told you guys. I want a market where I don't have to ask myself too much, okay? I just want to you see when it's time to execute, I want to have that freedom to execute, okay? I don't want to um try to convince myself. If there's one little thought of doubt, I don't do it. Okay, I don't do it like for real. I'm out of battery on my phone, and I didn't charge it. Each time I say I want to charge it, I have to. I'm too addicted to the phone, guys. Yo, I think I need to stop. I think for a few hours, I'm just gonna switch it off. You know, I think I'm just gonna switch it off. All right, just one more request, guys. One more request, then we go. Euro GBP, it's a buy on the H4 chart. It's a buy. Um, let's go. All right, let me. Since you guys are taking time, I'm gonna look at the G30. Okay, I'm gonna look at silver and the G30. Silver. Ish, there's my wife now. She's calling me. All right, guys. I need to disconnect right now. Okay. Let me see before I answer her. I'll call her back just now. I told her that I'm on a live stream. Let's look at Euro AUD quickly. All right, guys. I think the ones that we have, right, is enough, right? I think it's enough. It's enough. It's enough. So I'm gonna use the system to get the TP, right? Use the system to get the TP. Guys, I'm disconnecting right now, but you saw how quickly that was, okay? That was very, very quick. I was actually going to be done in less than 10 minutes, but obviously I'm busy talking in between, so I'm disconnecting right now, guys. I need to go fetch my wife, okay? But that's what we have running. The guys on my Telegram, they're going to see my message. I'm going to post like a screenshot of the trades like I did at the NFP. Okay. And then we're just gonna wait and see what the market does. Okay. So, anyways, guys, cheers. Take care. I'll see you guys on the next. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably live stream tomorrow. Let's just use the same times: 10 o'clock and then 3 o'clock. Okay, but let's use 10 o'clock and then 2:30, right? And then we'll pick it up from there. Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. I'm still here on YouTube, guys. I'm still here on YouTube, but I'm here for like a few seconds. Okay, I'm here for a few seconds. Somebody's. I just saw a DM. Somebody's asking if I have a job. Yo, what's up, mama?